Good morning. Thank you for joining me for your weather on Billy Rose WX. We're going to get right to what's going on in and around the nation. We do have shower thunderstorms up here in around Montana, North Dakota, and of course around Vermont going into Boston. And then we have some little bitty showers in Texas to Louisiana that are popping up this morning. Other than that, we're here clear here in Chester. We do have overcast clouds. And by the way, it is July 7th, and it is 6:47 this morning, and we got overcast clouds, 72 degrees. It feels like 74. Wind speed is at 2 miles per hour, and humidity is at 92%. Today it is going to be partly sunny, but this is your 18-hour HRRR cloud cover run, and that's what it's looking like. So partly sunny for today. And it looks like they're showing the HRRR showing pop-up showers in and around about 7 o'clock tonight. But don't be surprised if something pops up. But that is what is going on for today. As far as that, your temps, guys. I don't have the real field temperatures because they're only going to be a couple degrees higher today. So we're actually going to be pretty decent. So we are going to start off with Tuesday here today. It looks like 87 to 89 in Randolph County area, and our lows will be about 70, 71. For Wednesday, it looks like our highs will be around 90 to 93 in Randolph County, and our lows will be about 70 to 73. And so we are going to go ahead and get to the SPC outlook, and this is your categorical outlook. And you got general thunderstorms anywhere in the light green from Portland down to Phoenix and El Paso, going all the way up into the Great Lakes area in here in Wisconsin. And then, of course, here in Texas, going up to, looks like Pennsylvania, all the way down to Florida. Anything in this light green, your general thunder. We have a marginal risk from Salt Lake City all the way up to Minneapolis in the darker green, of course, here from looks like Virginia to South Carolina, and then here from Dallas going into Louisiana. Our 2 out of 5 slight risks go from Montana to looks like Minnesota, close to Minneapolis for today. As far as your tornado risk, it looks like the northern part of South Dakota going into Minnesota, you will have a 2% tornado risk, and then your wind risk will be from Salt Lake City to Minneapolis, anything in the brown, you'll be in that 5%, and your 15% looks like going from Montana to into Minnesota, and you have a 5% wind risk from South Carolina to Virginia, and from Dallas going into Louisiana. Your hail will be from Montana going into Wisconsin and into Nebraska area. You'll be in that 5%, and you got that slight risk from Montana going into around Minneapolis. For today, your 15% risk. For tomorrow, Wednesday, and it looks like everything just shifted a little bit to the east, but we're looking anywhere from Montana going down into New Mexico and Arizona, all the way up to the Great Lakes area, anything in that light area, and from the eastern part of Texas, going all the way up into parts of Pennsylvania and down into Florida. You guys will be in that general thunder. Your 1 out of 5 marginal risk will be from Montana, dips down into, looks like Kansas, and back up into the Great Lakes area. Anything in that dark green will be your marginal risk. And it looks like Nebraska, Kansas, and the northeast corner of Colorado. You guys will be in that 2 out of 5 slight risk. With a slight risk, looks like from Iowa and the southeast corner of Minnesota going into Wisconsin. You are also in that slight risk. We do have a marginal risk right there. It looks like in North Carolina and Virginia for today. And the tornado risk, 2%, looks like it's going from Iowa to that southeast corner of Minnesota going into Wisconsin right there. As far as that, your wind risk, it looks like from Montana going down into the Colorado area and then back up into Wisconsin. You're in that 5% in the brown, the 15% wind risk in the Nebraska, Colorado, and Kansas border, and over here going into Wisconsin and Minnesota and Iowa. You guys will be in that 15%. We do have that 15%. I mean, that we do have that 5% right here. Looks like North Carolina going into Virginia. As far as your hail risk, we have 5% hail risk from looks like Montana going down to Denver and back up to Wisconsin. You guys will be in that 5% hail risk. Other than that, guys, if you like this weather, thanks for joining me. And you can follow me on Billy Rose WX on Facebook, YouTube, and X. And if you could hit follow, like, that kind of helps me out. And I just want to give a shout out to Ridge Fogerson, my son-in-law. Got me the little Stream Deck so I can actually just punch buttons and it just changes the scene. But other than that, if you like what you see as far as the parameters, radars, and all that stuff, you can find us on Weatherfront on Apple, iOS, or a web browser, coming soon to Android. Other than that, I will talk to you tomorrow.